ಪುಡ್ಯೋನ್ವೆ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ತನ್ನಾಲ್ಮೆ ದಿನದ ಮೋಕೆದೆ ಡೆಪ್ಪುಡು और ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನದ ಮೋಕೆದೆ ಡೆಪ್ಪುಡು Tannālmæ and Svātantrya, two beautiful words which you can use in Tulu to wish anyone on India's Independence Day. Tannālmæ has a pure Tulu or Dravidian roots and Svātantrya is a loan word from Sanskrit. In today's video, as we learn to wish people a very happy Independence Day in Tulu, we'll also learn to write these two words Tannālmæ and Svātantrya in Tulu script. Come on! Tannālmæ and Svātantrya, both beautiful sounding words. They're actually even more beautiful when written in Tulu script. You may ask why? Because ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಬರೆನಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿತ kūṭākṣaras ಗಲಸೊಂದು ಬರೆಪ. We make use of the kūṭākṣaras of Tulu script. What are kūṭākṣaras? Kootakshara panadade. No rocket science at all here. Kootaksharas are consonant conjuncts which are ligated and written together. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂಜೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕುಡು kūṭākṣaram ಬರೆಪ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿಟ್ಟು. Just like the English joining letters or cursive writing. Do not worry if you don't know what kūṭākṣaras are. I have linked in this video description the playlist of our live Tulu script classes which I have been conducting every Sunday. We started with the basic building blocks of swaras and vyanjanas and we went on to learn the matras, and now we are in the fourth week of kūṭākṣaras. And if you missed our live classes, do not worry, just follow the videos in the playlist in an order and you'll master them beautifully. So in Tannālmæ, you have the kūṭākṣara of the two nas together. And when you write Svātantrya, wow, it's very beautiful. A tetra consonant conjunct. There's a kūṭākṣara of the letter na, ta, ra and ya. And all four of these letters are written in a single stroke. Come on, let's unravel one word at a time. Bale nama Tulu Lipittu Tannālmæ boka Svātantrya an bared tuka. Tannālmæ barere mastu sulaba. Nikil muta nama ತುಳು ಲಿಪಿದ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆತಾಡ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೊಂದು kūṭākṣara ಬರೆರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸುಲಭ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. If you've been attending the live Tulu script classes, you will know that writing kūṭākṣara is not that difficult. Come on, let's write it. Write the letter ta, which looks like the inverted or rotated number 3 or the letter M with a loop in the between. And we know the letter na, it just looks like the letter ta but has no loop in the middle. And when we write the kūṭākṣara of two nas together, the two nas merge. They merge where the trailing part of the first na and the starting part of the second na, they merge together in one single stroke. How it is done? Let me show it to you once again. So we start writing the first letter na. Then before we complete, we stop writing the first na and then we write the ending part of the second na. So that is, we make one more dip. Okay? Nama na action complete mal bareka. Undu tanna niknana a matra padu. A matra is very easy. This is the a matra. And after that to write almæ, the syllable, we first add the a matra, which we already know it. It's got a circle, a curve and a straight line. This is the a matra. Then we proceed to write the letter la and ma kūṭākṣara. We already know that. In our live classes, we learned how to write the post-based consonant form of the letter ma. So we write the letter la. And after writing the letter la, without lifting a pen, we trace the stroke back on your bottom of the letter la. We write the letter ma joined or ligated with the letter la. This is Tannālmæ. Now when we write Svātantrya, we probably will be demonstrating or exhibiting the most beautiful kūṭākṣara form in Tulu script letter. That is the tetra consonant kūṭākṣara. There are four letters joined together. That is na, ta, ra and ya. The syllable at the end of the word Svātantrya, antrya. Very beautiful to write it. Come on, let me give you a demonstration of it. To write Svātantrya, first we'll write the letter sa, which we know looks like a small na in the beginning and a curved line going all the way up. This is the letter Sa. And at the end of the letter Sa, you don't really have to lift the pen. You just can trace the path back all the way down, and then we write the post-space consonant form of the letter Va. This is the syllable Swa. And in the word Svātantrya, the first syllable akshara is Swa. So we add a A matra to it. Very simple. We already written it in the first word on the top, Tannālmæ. This is Swa. Next, Svātantrya, you have the next syllable, that is Ta. Again, very easy. We already learned it and written on top of this page when you wrote the word Tannālmæ. So this is Swa Ta. Now is the best part, Antrya. So we start with the half Na, and after that we write and merge it with the letter Ta. This is Anta, and then we write the post-space consonant of the letter Ra without lifting our pen, and at the end we trace the path back all the way to the edge. Then we write the post-space consonant form of the letter Ya. This is Svātantrya. Very beautiful, right? Tannālmæ and Svātantrya. You can wish your friends and family in Tulu script by writing these two words on India's 80th Independence Day and every Independence Day from now onwards. So friends, that was it on India's Independence Day. You learned to wish people in Tulu Tannālmæ dinote edeppulu or Svātantrya dinote edeppulu. And also you learn to write these two words Tannālmæ and Svātantrya in Tulu script and understand and explore the beauty of Tulu script's orthography consisting of kūṭākṣaras. And if you want to learn Tulu script from the basics to complex kūṭākṣaras, do not worry. I have linked in the description of this video the playlist of our Sunday live classes. The complete recordings are in chapter wise in order. You can start learning the Tulu script from the very basics of it, from swaras and vyanjanas, and proceed to learn the matras, and then discover kūṭākṣaras. No rocket science in kūṭākṣaras, the logical construct of Tulu script, and easy to learn and master with some practice. Bale, nammottu serdu Tulu Lipi kalple Solmelu Studios. And join us every Sunday with a massively growing learning community of Tulu script lovers and enthusiasts. And if you really love this video, please write and share Svātantrya and Tanalme with me on my email ID. It is solmelu.studios@gmail.com. And if you write and post it on Instagram or Twitter or X, just tag us @Solmelu Studios. And if you enjoyed this video, please share this video with your family and friends, and please like, share, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to support and believe in Tulu Script's mission of Solmelu Studios, then you can support us by probably buying this I Love Kurla shirt, which again displays beautifully the Kootaksharas of Tulu Script here. Thank you so much for all the people who already bought this shirt and supporting us. We'll be coming up with more Tulunad and Tulu Script inspired designs in coming days. In a video to click udal jinji Solmelu, and wishing you once again everybody a very happy Indian Independence Day. Tannālmæ dinota mokke deppulu, Svātantrya dinota mokke deppulu. Goodbye. See you in another video soon.